Hi, it's Jim Snyder, Director of Food and Beverage for Sun Valley. Standing out in front of the new Warm Springs. We unfortunately had a fire here and now we're rebuilding it bigger and better than ever. You know, we're on pace to be open for the winter. Let's take a look. Let's go on inside. So one of the main things is that this main entrance that for many years has been right in the front, we are now just going to have the entrance to the retail and ski shop and also the on snow entrance. By taking that one entry out, we were able to add about 80 more seats downstairs, which desperately needed. It was always hard to find a seat. When we get inside, you'll see the dimensions so much wide open now. Putting on the new roof. The brain trust is working right now. All the lead contractors, our general contractor Dallas Black, they're all back there right now working on all of the aspects to get this place ready to open on time. So one of the great new features of this restaurant will be, in the past, over in the corner, we had a smallish bar. We decided with this opportunity to go ahead and move the bar to the windows with the uphill view. This is the finishing run in Warm Springs. So we're going to have an 18-seat bar right here. We'll also have some high boy tables in this area as well, but the views will be unparalleled in the ski industry to be able to sit, have a cocktail or beer, soda, whatever you like, watch your friends come down right off of that great finishing run here in Warm Springs. In the space that used to house the bar, we now will have more seating, and behind it we'll have our keg refrigerator, which will feed that bar. We'll have 10 handles. We're going to be using a basket check now in ski school instead of the cubbies, which has opened up this entire space over here for more dining. So we will have approximately 100 more seats now on the lower level of Warm Springs, which will really allow folks to enjoy their lunch and not have to worry about trying to find a seat, because we'll have plenty. In the past, we had our ski ticket window here inside the food court. We're actually going to move that over into the retail space. So all the skier services programming will be over on the other side where retail is. So for ski school, that'll be on that side. And then you can see here, they're building our new servery. The old island that was in the center is now gone. We'll be putting the beverages on the side. We'll still have our pizza and our potato station and our soup station over on the left side. Our grill still remains front and center. We have a much upgraded salad offering that's right here, and we have a salad production room here in the back to help prep this. But one of the biggest new exciting areas here, we will still continue to have the cookies, and we'll still have the bell to let you know when the warm cookies are ready. But right in the corner, we will now have the Konditorei Warm Springs. Konditorei is in the village at the moment, very popular restaurant with pastry products and coffee program. We're going to bring that out here to Warm Springs, because currently, if you're staying in Warm Springs and live out here, you've got to drive into town to Starbucks or the Konditorei or Atkinson's to buy your coffee. We're going to have it open early and have a Konditorei Warm Springs right here that will have the same coffees and really the most popular items in the bakery. So here we are upstairs. Locker storage will remain. We're rebuilding this whole space. Seating will remain up here. We are adding a TV to the upstairs section. And when you're sitting up here, you're still getting an uphill view, but you're going to be able to really see what's happening down below. We think that this will be a very vibrant bar, exciting on the windows now. Yeah, we're so excited to get this reopened for the winter with the Konditorei Warm Springs, with our new bar, all of the new aspects, the new seating. We think this facility is going to be significantly upgraded, and we're really looking forward to the guests coming out and seeing it and enjoying it. And let's let it snow. It's almost time. Less than 100 days out, we'll be open and ready for it.